Hello everyone, this is my first contribution to the forum. These are the main ideas I consider, or more important ideas I consider from the article we read. The first is related to the principles. I selected three mentioned in the article, which is the first one is start from somewhere, but I consider if it's not related to somewhere but right place. So we have to know what is the right place to start a test in order to develop the excellent test to evaluate or to assess communicative language. When we are at the right place to start an assessment, we will know what to test, and after that we develop all the skills and criteria to take into account into the test. The next idea is related to concentration and content. We have to consider the topic and tasks. So we have to consider the topics we previously learned in the classes and the tasks we want to achieve by the students. Related to this, Bachman in 1991 mentioned that the result of the language tests may be used to make inferences about test maker language abilities or to make predictions about their capacity for using language to perform feature tasks in context outside the text itself, which is something really important I found in the internet. Also, it is important to consider the students' needs and their skills when developing communicative language tests. The third one is related to the bias for best. So we need to try within the test to get the students improving all their skills and challenging themselves to be best in all they are learning, all the commitments with learning the language and all the procedures that involve the language itself. I also find very important to take into account the characteristics for developing successful tests, which are meaningful communication, promoting and activating useful languages, and developing authentic situations during the exam or during the tests, and trying to elicit combined language skills within the students. Thank you very much.